Hello, I am Virukumar and today I will discuss our week 7 lab task, which was the use to the SAP Fairer Launchpad to the audit and the cost of the central norms. The cost central structure is the coordination data object that it utilizes to the appoint and catch the cost is significant way along this line, allowing managerial accounting investigations that helps dynamic. The cost center is the zone of obligations inside an organization that is considered to be the accountable for bring about the effect cost. To audit the cost central state picking order, we utilize the applications display cost center group with the value-based applications. You can strip the cost center gathering just as a make display and the after the cost central gathering and the applications comparisons of the SEP Fire launch this design. For example, these titles and the routes. Back-end segments, for example, the web Dynpong applications itself. So now in the second task, we think that it was the use of SAP easy access menu to the display essentials and the optional cost components. Essential cost components have the balance relationship with the business ledgers and enacted for the charts of accounts. They sought to build up positioning amount, fine cost of conveniencing along to the sharing the data among the mandatory and the managerial accounts. Essentially, the costs that are gone into a business ledgers that has been related to the essential cost components will be the presence on both the mandatory and managerial accounting from box. Stemina study the optional cost components are either the managerial accounting, they are utilized in the critical as well the cap expenses in this way. Dwelling the cost of the peoples is questions only inside the managerial accounting framework. So now we can look forward into that. So you can likewise effectively add a new general ledgers accounts with the out of any preparations of the department on existing accounts. Optional cost components are currently additionally incorporated chart of accounts. So the last task was the use to set in the easy access. So menu to the display existing cost components group. This branch encourages the working to the both essentials and the optional cost components while making considerations grouping. So it's likewise like the cost components gathering is the hierarchy units components of the specific assortment to the cost components. To survey cost components gathering, we utilize the application's display cost alignment group to have the options to existing these applications. Your framework since must be employed for the SAP firewalls. In the last and upcoming time, the front end segments of the applications comparisons of the UIS and the substance needs to be dispatching the applications on the SAP Firewall Launchpad. These segments must be introduced on your front end work. So back-end segments to the applications, principally components of the data administrations. So it needs to be applications on that. So this part must be introduced into your frame and the back-end framework and the front and back segment of the applications are converted into the encompassing SAP items from that. So it's features to the record the software segments and giving the companies to the data the useful informations and all we need to be utilized in the company to the smooth environment and the easy task to be converted in the very well data for the company. Thank you so much.